Hey, it's Dave from Bullpen Cycles, and today is Thursday at the Davenport Chief Blackhawk swap meet, and I am purposely walking through the parking lot, not taking the shuttle because, well, there's stuff in the parking lot you don't want to miss. It's nice, it's by donation. Hi. They don't have a bunch of Nazis collecting a whole lot of money. They don't get uptight if you're camping in your car. It's a pretty mellow event. And we're not even at the main part of the meet. This is like the overflow. It is the meet. What the heck is that thing? TT125 engine swap. Well, I don't know if they finished it. And well, because that doesn't quite line up. $250. Craig. Nah.
Took advantage of your good pal Bill Hill. Jeff Hill.
Wow, a baby stingray.
Midget.
Yeah, I never saw one like that.
1970. That son bitch, look, the tires ain't even cracked.
Look at that.
If it had a good cleaning, you know, but it's one of them deals. If I clean it up, you know, some guys want to say leave it just how it is.
Yeah, I
And
understand.
other guys, they can't wait to get their hands on it, take it apart and detail it all.
That's neat.
I guess I could wipe the nuts off. Gotta do it.
Now, I stopped buying these Moto Guzzies. I still like them, but I think the audience is aging out. And that one has no price. It's an $850 Eldorado. So yesterday we were seeing a lot of old Harley stuff. That's in the center of the swap meet. Maybe these stands are newer. That's a pretty nice AT1. Looks like someone did some carb work. Don't know if it's Chinese or what. Oh, okay, there's prices. $1,500 without title. $900 without title. Without title. without title. He probably gets tired of answering that. That one says with title. Ooh. These gyros are pathetic. $22.50 now. Oh wait, we are going over here. This is an old Ural, I think. No, it's got turn signals. $1,500. I understand that Ural is not supporting these anymore with the oval valve covers. And Toma Police Department with a Minnesota plate. Panhead engine need wait a minute. That's not a panhead, so I don't understand what they're trying to tell me here. $1997, $1,500, or once the sidecar to mount up to it. Well, that shouldn't be hard to find. 507-402-3567. So 97, 96, that was about the time they started re-importing these back into the US. And this is the CB900. Now this is the one that has the high-low range. Oh, but he's got an 1100F engine in it. Well, that makes it different. $2,000, 515-865-0299. Well, that certainly makes it different. And he's got his Honda parts here. So yeah, I'm guessing if you go inside, that's all the old Harley stuff, but outside in these newer stands, you can get the vintage Japanese stuff. So I think they're having flat track racing tonight. Vintage flat track racing. And look at this. No video recording allowed. Now that's kind of weird. I don't know if that applies to this event. This is a big track. Or else it just looks bigger than what I'm used to. Osa Stiletto. Original condition MX Survivor. 847-840-5734. And it's got the original IRZ carburetor on it, which looks like it was just cleaned. And what do we got here? Oh, a Zundap. This is kind of a rare thing. Is this the KS125? Is that what that's called? Well, I'm not sure because it doesn't have lights.
It's a motocross.
Chibi, look at that. So those look like new old stock headlights, and I'm guessing it's the same guy that has the Osa. So let's go. 20 bucks. There's some good stuff here. A Mako pipe. A Mako front fender. Norton Electra. Triumph battery boxes. Well, looks like we're gonna have tacos for breakfast. Oh my. 3 tacos for 13 bucks. Well, this is what $13 gets you. 3 street tacos. Now these are the Texmex with tomato and onions instead of cilantro, but 13 bucks. $49 pan, $3,500, 618-314-5569. Well, someone's going to want to see this, and it might have a price on it. I think that's 35. No phone. Well, you want to see what the inside of a Guzzi motor looks like? Ugh. Rough. A rack for a Honda Cub. Oh, we got all kinds of Honda Cub parts here. And some interesting pictures. That's a XR 750. I think 2 Triumphs. An old Super X t-shirt in the back. Man, this looks like they lifted it right out of some old ghost town. What is it? $6 grand or worst offer. Man, look how everything's going to be so rusted together. I don't think you're ever going to get that apart. I mean, man, that's rusted fast. But look, it comes with a toolkit. Wow, what a shame.
What do you think?
I'm not.
Man, I'm guessing that's real. $1,200, and that's the old style logo. Boy, that's gonna break easy. How about a KTM sign? Oh man, they painted over BSA and wrote Bridgestone. Here we got some repop tanks. Beezer. Says 59 A10 Spitfire Scrambler. $12.7. Here we got a Mexican Cooper MX tank.
Just don't have any more of the bike.
I do. But I have 2 tanks. And here's an oversized Malcolm Smith or somebody's desert tank. I don't know, maybe OSA pipe. Well, here's the price on this Honda. Didn't have a price on it yesterday. Pretty tall bike though. It says 1924. With a gas headlight, no front brakes, white with white tires. 24 FE. Wow, is that a little gas taillight? Crazy. Cervicar, see? 1, 2, 3 with reverse.
White lettered one there?
It's a nice looking 350. How much is it? Unrestored, 908 miles, 11.9. And a V30 Magna, 120 miles. Wow. And here we go. Kenny Roberts has new CDI. The rest is original. 17.5, $8,500. I remember when they were asking 10 to 12 for these things. I could almost get that on my hitch hauler. Is that a Kawasaki maybe? Oh, it's a Bridgestone. But it's not the Chibi. What is it?
It's called a ramjet. It's when the Taiwanese company bought out Rockford Motors, I guess.
So someone bought out Rockford when Rockford bought out Bridgestone?
Well, It was Bridgestone motors, and then it became like Bridgestone scooters when they did like the Taka and the Tor and the Jeep
Right,
and all that.
right.
And then this company's called Tai Long, and I think this is like the T and the L.
That's another one.
Yeah,
Okay.
So this says Minico made in Taiwan on it. But it's better than the cheapie stuff because you got chrome fork lowers, you got a key switch, you got a horn, you got a speedo. You know, it's way nicer. It's
Well, you know more than anybody else would have known. It's even hard just to know what the heck it is.
Yeah, it's number 49. I sent it to Richard Clark, the Bridgestone guy, and he said that is a super rare thing. They made so many with the Bridgestone parts, and then they stopped.
Huh. Interesting.
So,
Thank you.
yeah, 100 cc, whatever you know.
So that's the same. You're the same guy as has these bikes here.
He's got these two, and I got those.
All right. So they have a phone number, then they can reach you if they need to.
He says.
And of course, there's a Bulldog Matador hiding behind it. And the Helix. Yeah, I've been there. Done that.
And that's 47, I know it is.
I don't know what that is, but I like the provision for an extra gas can.
The flapper and the, and it'll have the tube. I got one in a box over there. That's a 46. So if you want to see inside the tree,
Says
we only got two
38
16s to take off. And you
Indian
can see,
Sport Scout.
that. I can do that. Let me grab a 7/16.
Try not to interrupt their discussion. I have a set of these bags at home with mounts. I wonder what they are. I don't know if that's homemade or not. I'm guessing it is. But here you got, well, it's almost a Can-Am, huh? Well, the museum isn't there anymore. How about a BSA dealer sign? Well, so the signs are still out there. I think the dealer sign is actually rarer. Oh, look who it is. It's Mike and Frank. Look at this, got one of those see-through model electric motors.
I know that's what you got this morning.
With like a homemade wooden battery. $27.50. We might have seen this yesterday, I'm not sure. 47. See, it's got girders. That's the color I like.
Never started it.
No phone number. I don't know what it is. Is it a new Hudson? No, new era motorcycles. 530-305-6979. That's all of these. The Henderson 4. No prices.
I bought this for $16,500. Yeah.
$16,500 OBO. Flatty. $3,500 for a 750/6. There's a clock. Oh, we got some stuff back here. Some new old stock or repop fenders. Well, it's got the part number. Those are new old stock. 68 through 70 Triumph. Somebody wants that tin. And there's a phone number.
These are not new.
I think we saw that yesterday. Here, this says, I think it's Meefter? No, is it going to be, because it's German, is it going to be Meifter? And it's got like a little Sachs motor in it. This is what they did in those days. Look at that. I don't know. Kaiser or Caesar or somebody. $1907. I guess that's theme.
Yep.
Serial number 2. Look at that little crazy magneto. And that push rod. Intake valve on top. And the leather links for the chain. Skinny little tires. Here's a little Yamaha 80 with a faded sign that now says $1,700 with title. I don't know if I bothered to show this yesterday, and I don't know if I should bother today. That's like an off-road style sidecar mounted to a CM 185 Honda. Well, I guess it's not off-road because it's got a tiny little sidecar tire. But it must be bouncy. So see, this is how you should do it. Get your bike in under a roof. Tell us a little bit about it. And put a price and your phone number on it. 24JD. Now this has got some pretty interesting farkles. Gaslight, toolbox. Oh, here's an XLH in the back. No, it's an XLCH. 62. Says project bike. 5K. So they advertise this as the biggest national swap meet, and well, this is not as big as Mid-Ohio or the Barber Festival, and you know, Wasion might even be bigger now. It's still worth coming to. And as I've been saying, I think the theme is older Harley stuff. I mean, like ancient. But still, a little bit of everything.